Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. and Mrs. English Studio, where learning English is simple, friendly, and fun. I'm Mira.
And I'm Alex. Hello, Mira, and hello to all our lovely listeners around the world. Oh, it's such a nice day to practice English together.
It really is, Alex. I feel full of energy today. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great, thank you. I have my cup of tea, the sunlight is coming in, and I'm ready to talk.
That sounds perfect. You're always relaxed, Alex. It makes me smile.
I try. Life is good. But Mira, why do you look so excited today?
Well, this morning I checked the calendar and realized something very special.
Oh, what is it? Is it a surprise? Is it your birthday?
No, not my birthday, but it is a wonderful time of the year.
I know. The holiday season, right?
Exactly. The year is ending and people are getting ready to relax.
Yes, and when the year ends, many people think about one beautiful thing.
Vacation!
Yes, that's our topic today, vacation.
I love this topic. Almost everyone loves vacations.
So true. Many families travel in December or January. It's time to rest and enjoy life.
Yes, no work for a few days. No office, no stress.
No emails, no meetings, no boss.
Before we continue, we have a small request for our listeners.
Yes, if you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to Mr. and Mrs. English Studio and like this episode.
And don't forget to share it with your friends. Maybe they love travel too.
Okay, now let's talk about travel. Mira, when you imagine your perfect vacation, what do you see?
Good question. Do you imagine snow or sunshine?
Oh, sunshine for sure. I love warm weather. I'm a beach person.
I knew it. You love the beach.
Yes, my dream vacation is on a beach. Hot sun, blue water, and a cold drink in my hand.
That sounds very peaceful.
Just listening to the waves. Whoosh, whoosh. Ah, so relaxing.
Do you sleep on the beach too?
Maybe just a small nap. What about you, Mira? Beach or something else?
I like the beach, but I prefer the mountains.
Oh, the mountains. Interesting. Why?
I love nature. Green trees, fresh air, and quiet places.
Fresh air is amazing. Is it cold there?
Sometimes, but I enjoy walking and hiking.
Wow, you're very active. On vacation, I become very lazy.
Lazy is okay, but I love the view from the top of a mountain.
Yes, the view is always beautiful.
So we have beach vacations and mountain vacations.
And don't forget city vacations.
Of course, visiting big cities is very popular.
I love cities like London, Paris, or New York.
What do you do there?
Museums, history, buildings, and food.
Food is always important.
Very important. On vacation, food tastes better.
If I go to Italy, I eat pizza and pasta.
If I go to Japan, sushi every day. Calories don't count on vacation.
I agree completely.
Okay, we know where to go. Now, how do we travel?
Transportation. Some people fly on airplanes.
I like planes because they're fast.
Yes, but airports can be stressful.
Very stressful. Long lines. Where is my passport?
Phone, passport, ticket. Always check.
But I love looking at clouds from the plane window.
Nice, but I enjoy road trips more.
Driving a car?
Yes, music, singing, stopping anytime you want.
That sounds fun and free.
Exactly, but it takes a long time.
Are we there yet?
Now comes the hardest part, packing.
Oh no, packing.
I pack too much.
Too many clothes?
Yes, maybe I need this, maybe that.
And your bag becomes very heavy.
So heavy. What about you?
I pack very little, just basics.
But what if it rains?
Good point. One time, I forgot my swimsuit.
At the beach?
Yes, I had to buy one. Very expensive.
Lesson for everyone, make a packing list.
Yes, swimsuit and passport first.
But vacations can be expensive.
True, hotels and tickets cost money.
But we can have a staycation.
Stay plus vacation, staying at home.
Yes, no work, but no travel.
Sleep late, visit parks, try new restaurants nearby.
Cheap and relaxing.
Sometimes travel makes you tired.
I need rest after traveling.
Staycations are perfect.
The most important rule, disconnect.
Turn off work emails.
Spend time with family or enjoy quiet moments.
Talking about this makes me want a vacation now.
Me too. Mountains or beach, or both.
Best idea ever.
One last thing, memories.
Photos.
Yes, but sometimes put the phone away.
Enjoy the moment.
Feel the wind, hear the sounds, smile.
This was such a nice talk.
Let's recap quickly.
Beach, mountains, or city trips?
Plane or road trip,
Pack smart.
or enjoy a staycation.
Now, a question for you.
Where is your dream vacation?
Tell us in the comments. In English.
Subscribe to Mr. and Mrs. English Studio.
Like, share, and practice English with us.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Safe travels!